In the shop. With Steve.
Morning, Daniel.
Good morning, Steve.
Guess today we're installing a Lippert Solera battery-powered awning on this 32-foot InTech. Should go up pretty easy.
Well, there's tape on there because we're making a square. We pre-marked the trailer before installing awning, so we could get a general idea of where we want to lay the awning out in the post.
So I got this new stud finder app. It works great. Look at that. We're plugging the awning in, you know, being how these are battery powered. So we're charging up the battery on the awning.